What's up, you guys? It's Options Finest, and today I've got a new monitor since it's been way too long. And if any of you guys have known or seen any of my past videos, even if you just want to go and look now, the monitor I have absolutely stinks. So I decided it's time to get a new monitor. It's pretty much the same thing. It's a 27-inch curved gaming monitor. This time it goes up to 165 hertz or 175 at max. So it's better than my original monitor that I still have, and that still doesn't work. But it literally is the exact same stats. It just, you know, is different, and it is updated, and it's Asus, and it matches my graphics card and all that stuff. So anyway, let's get into this. I'm just gonna start opening it now, and you're gonna see as I get this box up, like down, you're gonna see my other monitor like twitching out because it really just isn't that great of a monitor. So yeah, that's why I'm upgrading it finally. It's been like maybe like a year or two, and no, it's probably been like 2 years since I've been dealing with this. Might as well. It was like 180 bucks, nothing too crazy. It's giving me a hard time. Got the power cord. Got the tools. Put that on the side. Oh my god. I'm struggling. Jeez. Monitor. Get this thing out of here. And what I'm thinking of doing is kind of, I don't know, maybe I'll just use this main monitor as my main one, obviously, and then take the one that doesn't work. It's doing whatever it wants to do on this thing right now. I might take that and make it the second, and then I'll have two huge curved gaming monitors. I don't know, maybe this thing. I'll just be able to deal with it because now I have this one. So anyway, we got the stand, we got some power cords, the display port. Just looks like the back part. Ow, ow! I hate that sound. Styrofoam box. I just absolutely hate styrofoam. Alright, and then the monitor. It honestly looks bigger than I thought. Oh shit. Nice. Wow. That looks great. Alright. Oh, you can hold like that, yeah. Actually, that's the monitor. I think it's bigger than my other one. The other one is 27 inches, but this one does not. This thing looks bigger. It's like kind of put it up for comparison. Yeah, it's bigger. Maybe I got a 24-inch. I can't remember now. Alright, so I'm just gonna get the assembly going and yeah. Screws, you always got to do one side and keep going diagonal, and then you don't screw them all in at once all the way. You do them little by little so that it doesn't cause tension or break anything. So you see how I did the one on the bottom. Now I'm putting the one on the top right. Anyone that's built a PC or anything like that can kind of understand this, but if you're thinking about doing it for your first time, or you haven't done it before and you're just watching out of enjoyment, this is a little tip that's good to know. Could help you out later in life. now the only thing is to unplug it and plug in the new screen, see how it works. So we got the display port right here. I could have used mine, but you know what, I'll use theirs. Get the power cord. Here. I'm going to readjust everything. I'm also going to clean up a little bit. Got a very nice sweet kitty, but her hair gets everywhere. Let this one out. Literally went on the floor. Trash. Oh wow. A lot more dirt than I thought under there. Alright, so I ended up getting this to work. It's actually pretty cool. So I got my actual screen in the middle right here, and it's actually really, really nice. It looks way bigger, and I just think that's because of the trim on the sides. You kind of notice there's a difference on this screen. So I think that definitely contributes to how that screen looks so much bigger. And then I have the top little screen at the top over there that I can just throw something on the side there if I ever want to look at something. And I'm a trader, so that really helps. I can put something up on that screen, like some news or something like that. And then I have this screen right here for my secondary screen, my right screen, and it works out well. And I have my main screen, so I have the 3 screens, and it works out perfect. This honestly looks way better than I thought. And my desk is pretty clean, like I have enough space to use this. So now the only thing really left to do is play games on it, see how it goes. I think it's going to be great, but yeah, so I'll keep you guys posted. And for anyone who's wondering, this chair, I've been getting comments about on the other videos talking about the chair, and I don't think I can get it in frame, but yeah. So the chair has been faring me really well. I haven't been using it as much as I used to, but after I bought it, I used it for a solid like 2 months, and I had no real wear and tear besides like my cat biting into it, like I said to some people in the comment section. So I really recommend, if you're really looking for a chair and just stumbled upon this video, go check out one of my older videos. I can put it in the description, or you can just go on my channel and find it. But this chair is really good. I did a review and unboxing and assembly, pretty much kind of like what I'm doing for this screen. So I really think that everything is working out perfectly. I cleaned up my desk. You can see I didn't have the dust thingy over there, and yeah. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, like, all that good stuff, and take care.